Hello everyone, welcome in. My name's Linda. You're here in the UK and it's June and it's giveaway time. It's giveaway time, guys. So I hope all is well. I hope you're having a fabulous June so far. It's the 5th of June. First Monday of the month, so that means a giveaway, and I have a little extra special giveaway this month. We have got, this month I am giving away the Batik Design Cotton Club Cotton Gold, Cotton Gold by Elise. And if you saw my video from my yarn haul video from Turkey, you will know that I purchased these while I was on vacation. And you've got 3 of these, and I will tell you what they are. There are 3 weight, 100 grams, 3.53 ounces, 330 meters, 361 yards, and it's 55% cotton, 45% acrylic. And what else have we got? And it's the Oeco-Tex Standard 100. And what else have we got here? What else? A 3.5 to 5 millimeter needles and a 2 to a 4 millimeter hook. It says it's a 4 weight. Silly me. But I think it's a light 4 weight, no colour, as per. I wish these companies would contact me and I would give them a colour. And I don't think there is a colour. It says Cotton Gold Batik is designed by Elise, as we all know is a Turkish company. And yeah, guys, so you've got 3 of them. And then you've got a set of stitch markers, the light bulb stitch markers. You've got a 4 millimeter hook. You've got 2 tapestry hooks in a container. You've got a pink tape measure, and you've got a little snips. And you kind of push this up, push this little button up, and it opens up into a pair of scissors, which is handy when you're traveling. It's that time of year, isn't it, where we're all going on vacation. And yeah, so they are the prizes. So that's the prize for June yarn giveaway. YouTube is no way responsible for this giveaway. It's all purchased with my own money. You need to be 18 years and older to enter. You must be subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you are subscribed, because when I do the random picker and I can't see myself on the channel, then I pick somebody else, because they all got everybody. This is for my subscribers. Just a way for me to say thank you for being here with me, for supporting me, for your comments, for your likes, for attending my lives. So it's just a little way for me to say thank you and give one lucky winner the prize. So the word is batik, and I'll put it across here. It's B-A-T-I-K. So if you want to be entered into this giveaway, write the word batik. I'm responsible for posting the prize to you. Any customs duty at your end, that's up to you to pay. And all the information, rules and regulations by YouTube is in the description box below. I do encourage you to read them. This, as always, everybody, my giveaways are worldwide. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can enter, as long as you subscribe to my channel. What else is there? I meant to say something else and I totally forgot. If you have a YouTube channel and you're not sure how to make your, 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 how to make channels visible so I can see if you're subscribed to me. There is a link for you to go and check and find and follow how to do that. You can do it for a few days up and at the when the giveaway is finished, and then once you see the video go live of who's entered, then you can remove it. So it's quite simple. It's entirely up to you, but if you want to be in a chance to win, I must be able to see that you are subscribed to me. So today is the 5th of June, and the winner, it closes on the 23rd of June, and the winner will be sorry about that. The winning video will go live on Monday the 26th of June. So good luck everybody. Once again, thank you to everybody who supports me on my channel. I do really appreciate it. Don't forget, this is a giveaway, worldwide giveaway. I just need you, if you would like to enter, just write the word batik into a sentence, and I'll pick a winner. So good luck everybody, take care, stay safe, and until the next video, bye for now.